I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say. See this thing in the center over here, the core? It's the core that moves. It moves both sides. These swing. These get numbers. Okay? These get numbers. These swing. This is the same world over here as it is over here. It's moving within the two worlds, this one and this one. Its world coming around this one, and then it turns around this one, creating its bracket, and its bracket coming from 9 and 0. It's moving around this one, and it's moving around this one. Two of the footballs. See the one football? This is actually what it's doing. But you see it on both sides because it's two worlds. What I see outside right now is just like me. Look at my hand. You can see it. You can see my hand. You can see my hand. You can see my hand pretty clear. But when you look into my clear room, you see dark. When I look outside right now, regardless if the chemtrails are there or not, because there's all kinds, but I look into the light, and I'm seeing little silver things and black, just like a haze of black. And I put my hand through it, and it doesn't move. Nothing moves. What am I seeing? Because my relativity to this, of what I am seeing, okay, is the actual matrix, is what they made our eyes to see, but they didn't make our eyes to look for what we do or what I'm doing. Or because my mind is not like everybody else, have a different vibration, yet they're working in vibrations of, we need everybody in a sort of same vibration category, otherwise they're going to become schizophrenic, bipolar, and all these things. So these guys who are supposed to find everything, they can't anymore, because now they're bipolar and they're not looking for it. For them, it's just a high-cuck and garnished idea, and that's why they don't want you to think of it. 7. 1 and 6 is the greatest letter, 7. 7, 7 setter, which is in the G family. G becomes U. 7, 21 equals to 28, the cube, and the cycle of 28 within the moon's gate. R, 7 and 6, the spirit of 76, 13, 13, 13, create the sky and the street you are in. This doubled up will say DVD. This is a V, and a D letter creates an R for Jack Queen. The 18th letter, 666. F, 6, F equals to 18, F18. 6 and 18 to 24 hours, 2 by 4, 2 plus 4 is 6 and 8 of man. The Ephart. The R, the F is the 18th letter R. The E and the R together is Ephart. The T is the 20th letter. Why do we continue to T? Because we have 20. We have 10 from one group, and we have 8 from the other group. That says enough, 8 out of 10, because it's from the Venus world. Venus is worth 2. Alpha is worth 1. 2 is 20, 1 is 10. Alpha and beta, 1 and 2. A3, C and A are the same thing. A becomes C by triplicating herself in 3 worlds. She's now an A in 3 worlds. She's now a CA. Alternate current. B becomes 6F. B becomes F into the next world. B is Venus, is Mars. B becomes F. Inside B, she becomes F. Who becomes D? Inside D, 444, we now have D12, which is L. She, the I, is inside where Mars is. 444 equals to L, or del, or the LED passing light. L, the eye in the sky. The LED eye in the sky. Why? Because the numbers tell me that this one goes to C, goes to CI. C and I equals to 12 equals to Ciel. C equals 9. 3, the third letter in the alphabet, 333 equals to the 9th. The 9th is also the R letter. 9, 18th letter, 1 and 8 equals 9. Far equals if and how far. 555 equals to 15 equals to O. E equals to 6. E is 5, 5 and 6 Aleph, 3 worlds of E. EIO, because the I, which is the A, 3 times 3, C. Remember, A becomes C, A3 becomes C. C is 3, 3, 3, 9, I, which becomes the sky. 3 and 9 is 12, becomes L, becomes the I in the sky. Did you follow what I did? A, which was 1, now goes to 3. 3, which is 3, is now over to 9. So 3 and 9 come together in the sky. A, B, C become 3, 6, 9. F is 222 in the 8 heavens, 1776. 6-letter F, 222, equaling to the B. F now equals B. So that is the little thing that I just wanted to mention. And that's oh yes, one more thing. The socket and earth. E-T, terre in French is earth. E is earth both ways. It is the ear of time heaven. It is the electronic angel resident, angel residency. We are in the university of earth. The rat, the art. Take away art, we have he art. He art also says earth, and it is he of he, creator. Chet, T and H, time heaven, and church, because the opposition and the value within T is C. C and T come together. 2 and 3. H, Chet. Anyways, Raphael 7286 and a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching this short video. So we understood where these came out, right? One more thing I wanted to mention is that when U comes out with U, this is in the 3rd family. U is the 21st letter. 2 and 1 is 3. So all of a sudden, U and A are in one family. This equals to 21 and 1 is 22. And number 22, EVE, 5, 22, 5 is Eve. B is now 6. O, the 15th letter, is 6. B now gets the 3 passages, 5, 5, and 5. She gets it from B, 2, and she also gets it from 4, 6, and 8. 5, 5, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8 all get a passage inside of 5, inside of O. Because B is 2, 2, 2, F is 6. 15th letter, 1 and 5 is 6. 4, 4, 4 is 12. 12, 1 and 2 is 3. L and A, C come together and it says the lake. LAC is lake. 4, 4, 4 is 12. This is also purple. The purple heart. The lake of the purple heart. Is that where the blood flows? Do you follow what I'm doing here? The A gets a value of 3, goes into the C family. The C, which has a value of 3, okay, is also in the family with U and L. This one is 12, this one is 21. So 3, 3, 3 is U, L, and C. Creation of Lovejoy. 5 times 3 is 15. The 15 and 10. 10 and 5. 15 becomes J-O-Y. Y is the 25th letter. J is the 10th letter. The 15th letter is O. Creates within its own. F. L was 444. Is 12. So it now fits into this family over here. It fits into 2 B families because B became B6, B6. 2, 2, 2 is 6. This is 12 equals to 3 into the C family. A comes into the C family. C becomes 9. A becomes 3. 9 and 3 is 12. It says the sky. It says sea flow. It says easy flow. Easy flow, it says. The C letter has to come over here because I forgot. We're missing the number here. The 3 letter. The 3 has to come here. It actually says BCD easy flow, and BCDE easy flow says Bell Canada Enterprises. At the same time, IF 9636 IF flow. If low, Fiol. It also says with the R and U, which says gold, the flow of the gold, whatever that means. Okay, gold. Gold, G-O-L-D, equals to, if I remember, 38. And the same number shows up in the moon, 38, and it's within the church. And the church is under the hat, which is the head. How does it go? The flow of the gold, because the gold is to own our minds. The gold is to own our minds. When our minds work and we go to the washroom, my friends, that's gold. You look at the color next time. That's some kind of colored gold. That's the gold, my friends. The gold is the wax that comes out of us. But it all turns brown at the end. We save the wax. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. G equals 21U. With R, 7 and 6 says Guru. 7 and 6, 13 says Guru. What does that mean? Did you understand what I said? 777 is 21, 666 is 18. It's R. The R is the AR family. 666 is 18. 6 is F. And the G is 777. It's GU. It's Guru, Garu, or Lu Guru. Lu Guru, the wolf. Thank you for watching.